Good medical morning. This is Watson from Westside Health, and today we have a great brain-boosting nootropic supplement. But first, what is a nootropic? Well, the word nootropic has been around since the 1970s. It comes from the Greek words nous, meaning mind, and trop, meaning turning or turning towards. So it literally means turning towards the mind. We add IC to the end of words to have it mean pertaining to or having the properties of. So yeah, nootropics, helping to turn the wheels of your mind. Makes sense. This particular nootropic is called Think Clear. It has memory-boosting vitamins for focus, clarity, and energy, and it helps with cognition and productivity. Of course, some naysayers will claim that supplements won't affect the brain, but I would argue that they do. Just ask any coffee drinker if a little caffeine in the morning helps them think more clearly. Now just imagine if you had something specifically designed for cognition and productivity. Think Clear contains both ginkgo biloba and St. John's wort, among other quality ingredients. One study found that an extract of ginkgo biloba, known as EGB 761, was clinically effective in treating Alzheimer's dementia. Researchers believe that ginkgo improves cognitive function because it promotes good blood circulation in the brain and promotes the brain and other parts from neuronal damage. That's according to medicalnewstoday.com. Meanwhile, St. John's wort is well known for its ability as a brain stimulant, allowing you to think more clearly. It's also known for its ability to help mood or your sense of well-being. It also has 6 other GMP certified ingredients that are known for their nootropic or neuroprotective abilities. The combination of ingredients in this make it a top-end product for a reasonable price. Plus, it's available on Amazon in the link below. And if you have Prime, take advantage of free shipping. Well, there you go. Please check out this fantastic nootropic. Don't take my word for it, order yours today.